Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions concerning this watch. Back in 2022, Moser Cie of Schaffhaus in Switzerland launched this. This is the Endeavour Center Second Vantablack, a darker than dark, blacker than black Vantablack dial on a stainless steel case. It's a versatile 40 millimeter size. That's the diameter. It's 11.5 millimeters thick, 47.4 lug-to-lug with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We're going to throw this on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, get a sense of it. It looks a little bit broader than it is just because I pull these things down pretty tight. And the straps are never broken and they're brand new when I show them to you. So you can see this watch is probably suitable for a wrist as small as 14 centimeters circumference. There's your down the barrel showing that I have a lot of clearance on each side. Over the top, people ask for it, but it does exaggerate the width of the watch. And then the cuff shot with a concave bezel and a slim profile, it will slide easily underneath a dress cuff. A lot of Moser watches feature kudu leather, but special pieces tend to get alligator. And that's what we have right here. Large rectangular scale alligator leather. Suede on the bottom, we have an Alcantara style material. Gator on the top, large symmetrical rectangular scale. A very expensive cut of the beast when you see scales this big and symmetrically shaped. You can see in profile it's been shear cut and lacquered for refinement, and we've got a monotone stitch. We have a matching pin buckle in stainless steel with the Moser logo and then a combination of polish and satin. The Moser cases are always a treat. Stamped and then hand finished, they can achieve these wonderful mirrored hollows in their lug profiles. And whereas a lot of companies use longitudinal satin on case bands, Moser tends to use vertical satination. We have a conical knurled Moser branded crown and then a polished concave bezel that visually thins the watch and runs all the way around. Vantablack, interesting material. The greatest degree of light absorption of any material ever devised. So it absorbs 99.965% of light. The only challenge here is that there is a sapphire over it, so any reflection you see is a function of the sapphire's reflecting qualities, not that of the dial base. It's also not possible to place indices or superstructures on Vantablack because it's made of vertically arrayed carbon nanotubes, and you will crush and deform the material if you attempt to superimpose anything atop it. But by cutting through the material and leaving a hollow, Moser exposes an underlying dial disc to give us both indices and Vantablack. We have faceted and polished feuille or leaf style hour and minute hands, and then a violet fire blued, I would say not so much blued, but violet fired seconds hand. It's a lancet style seconds hand. It has that violet brown tinge that always tells you there's something special going on the back of your Moser. And here it is. Whenever you see a blue balance bridge, that's also your cue. We've got a double hairspring, 180 degrees opposed. They have the exact same geometry, weighting, identical in every respect, but 180 degrees opposed. So when gravity causes one to speed up the oscillator by an equal and opposite margin, the other one will slow it down, achieving in any position and in a wristwatch format what a tourbillon used to achieve in a pocket watch. And again, it does this instantaneously. 3 hertz beat rate, 27 joules, bidirectional automatic winding with hybrid ceramic bearings, a pawl-based winding system similar to Magic Lever. You've got the 3-day power reserve, and then you've also got a stop seconds function, so you can set the watch precisely to a reference time. Moser makes its own hairspring, recessed bolt, free sprung balance, and escapement through its precision engineering subsidiary. Rare for a company to be able to make those parts. Movement manufacturers aren't as rare as they used to be, but making oscillators and assortments, super exclusive. Again, you have hybrid ceramic bearings, which means the balls are made of ceramic for lighter lubrication, better friction reduction, and reduced maintenance. And it is a bidirectional system with a pawl-based Magic Lever-like winding mechanism. You see the rotor in rose gold with snailing, media blast, and beveling, double-crested coat to never cross the bridges, polished screw heads, engine turning on the base plate, and you can see a machine-applied but handsome bevel. And again, it is a 30-millimeter diameter movement, so it properly fits this 30-meter water-resistant case. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.